Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC code P062F indicates a TCM internal control module error in the Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. This error points to issues related to the transmission control module, often abbreviated as TCM, that is responsible for managing the transmission operations of the vehicle. The TCM holds critical data, such as the Vehicle Identification Number, VIN, and control learned data within its Keep Alive memory, KAM. This memory allows vital information to persist even when the vehicle's battery is disconnected. When the TCM fails to retrieve or write data properly, it detects this malfunction and stores the P062F code. It is crucial to address this error to ensure proper functioning of the vehicle's transmission system. The Transmission Control Module, TCM, plays a critical role in the performance and operation of a vehicle's transmission system. It transmits control commands that dictate how the transmission should operate under various conditions. This module includes a Keep Alive memory, often referred to as KM, which stores operational data necessary for powertrain control. Importantly, the KM maintains this data even when the vehicle is shut off, as it is not dependent on a constant power supply. The TCM retrieves this stored data upon powering up the vehicle. If there are any interruptions in the data retrieval process, or if the writing of necessary control data is incomplete, it triggers a malfunction that results in the P062F code being stored in the TCM's memory. Several potential causes can lead to the activation of the P06TF code in a Honda Civic. A primary suspect is an internal circuit failure within the Transmission Control Module, TCM. Such a failure can disrupt the module's functional operations, affecting data retrieval and writing. Another potential issue lies in the Keep Alive memory, KAM, specifically regarding communication problems that prevent it from correctly storing or providing essential data. Additionally, a malfunction of the Central Processing Unit, or CPU, within the TCM may result in similar failures, rendering the module incapable of performing its role effectively. These causes emphasize the need for comprehensive diagnostics to pinpoint the exact issue. When the DTC P062F is triggered, several symptoms may become evident, indicating that something is wrong with the vehicle's transmission system. Most notably, the Malfunction Indicator Lamp, MIL, will be illuminated on the dashboard. This light serves as a warning to the driver that the vehicle requires immediate attention. Additionally, the shift position indicator may begin to blink, providing further indication that the TCM is facing issues. Users may also notice that a pending diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is stored within the TCM's memory, along with the specific P062F code. These symptoms can significantly impact the vehicle's drivability and should not be ignored. The first step in troubleshooting the P062F code involves performing a thorough visual inspection of the TCM and its associated components. Start by examining the TCM connectors for any signs of damage, corrosion, or loose connections. Faulty connectors can disrupt communication and power delivery to the TCM, leading to operational failures. Next, inspect the wiring harness connected to the TCM. Look for frayed wires, shorts, or breaks that could impede functionality. A meticulous visual check can often reveal issues that require immediate rectification and may prevent deeper diagnostic procedures. After completing the visual inspection, the next step is to utilize a scan tool to access the vehicle's diagnostics. Using the scanning tool, retrieve the current DTCs stored in the vehicle's memory to verify that key 062F is still present. Once confirmed, following the guidelines of the diagnostic procedure, clear the DTCs to reset the system. This can often help in determining whether the issue is a temporary glitch or a persistent problem. After clearing the codes, operate the vehicle under normal conditions to check if the P062F code reappears. A reoccurrence indicates that further diagnosis is necessary, while a lack of return might hint at a transient issue. Once repairs have been completed, rigorous verification is essential to ensure that the TCM is functioning correctly. Start by confirming that the TCM operates as intended, focusing on ensuring that it can read and write data to the Keep Alive memory without issues. This can be tested using the scan tool to verify the correct operation of all stored parameters. Next, thoroughly check if any lingering DTCs are present. It's vital to address any residual codes that may indicate unresolved issues. Finally, monitor the operational parameters of the transmission system while performing various driving conditions. This comprehensive check ensures a confirmed resolution of the P062F issue and reinstates reliable vehicle operation. To prevent future occurrences of the P062F code, regular preventive maintenance plays a crucial role. Incorporating periodic diagnostic checks can allow technicians to identify issues before they escalate into serious problems. Furthermore, maintaining the overall health of the vehicle's battery is essential, as a weak or faulty battery can lead to unreliable power supply, triggering potentially misleading codes. Regular inspections of TCM connections and wiring harnesses can also mitigate risks of electrical failures. By adopting these preventive measures, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity and performance of their transmission control module, leading to improved driving experience and reduced repair costs. In conclusion, the DTC P062F indicates an issue with the transmission control module, stressing the importance of understanding the functionalities associated with the TCM. Awareness of the symptoms, such as the illuminated MIL and blinking shift indicator, serves as an essential signal to address potential problems promptly. Following thorough troubleshooting steps will allow technicians to accurately diagnose the situation and apply the necessary repairs. Regular maintenance and vigilant observation can also play a significant role in preventing the recurrence of this error. By staying proactive, vehicle owners can ensure the reliability and performance of their Honda Civic models from 2016 to 2021. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!